In this video, we will look at how to use the passive in the present and past. So why do we use it? We use it to make the object more important than the subject. So instead of the football player being the most important thing, we can make the ball more important by moving it to the beginning of the sentence. To do this, we need to use is and are for present, and was and were for the past, plus the past participle. The past participle is the verb form that usually ends in ed. However, there are irregular verbs which do not follow the pattern, such as eat, eaten, and see, seen. So let's look at how to form a sentence in the present passive. So we will start with an active sentence in the present. Farm workers pick apples at Meadow Farm. This sentence shows us that the farm workers are important. Now let's change the sentence to make the apples important. To do this, we move apples to the beginning of the sentence and move farm workers to the end of the sentence. We must add the verb pick to make it a sentence, but we change it to the past participle by adding ed and then adding are before it. Finally, we add by before farm workers. However, apples are picked at Meadow Farm is only needed as the information about the farm workers is unimportant. We usually use the present passive for things we do, such as apples are cleaned, and finally they are packed and shipped to the market. However, for the past passive, we often use it for events in history. So the active sentence, the American people elected Donald Trump in 2016, changes to Donald Trump was elected president in 2016. So it's common to see the past passive in newspapers and the news to report accidents. 10 people were injured when a tree fell down. We also use it to report crime. A man was arrested for not paying his taxes. So remember, we use it for many situations when the person who did the action is unknown or unimportant. Now go to our website ESLeschool.com for more practice on the passive. We also have lots of free activities to improve your English for study, work, or travel.